If you would like to know what Reiki Level 1 is all about and what you would learn or what is it covered in Reiki Level 1, please stay tuned. Thank you. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about what Reiki Level is all about. If you are thinking to learn Reiki Level 1 or you are just curious what is actually being taught in Reiki Level 1 class, then stay tuned. I'm going to share each and everything about whatever is being covered in Reiki Level 1. If you are wondering why I'm talking about Reiki, I am a certified Reiki teacher master since 18 years. Since 2002, I have been teaching Reiki to students and giving healing to them as well. So let's talk about what all will be covered in Reiki Level 1. So if you are deciding to learn Reiki, congratulations. That is the first step to start this beautiful healing journey. So congratulations for deciding or just thinking of learning Reiki Level 1. So when you go for Reiki class, either it is through person, Zoom call or online, anywhere, these are the few things you would be taught in the Reiki class. So first of all, Reiki Level 1 is being taught in 2 days time. This is how I teach Reiki Level 1. All the teachers might be doing it different ways, but Reiki is taught in 2 consecutive days. So the first time when you start the Reiki class, the teacher would ask you your name, your basic information, and at the same time, what do you know about Reiki? What are your intention about Reiki? So this is all you would be asked in Reiki Level 1 class. Then the teacher would tell you about themselves, where they learn Reiki, how long they've been doing it, what are the experiences. So this way it builds a rapport between student and a teacher. Once this is done and you are familiar with your teacher and or other students, then the starts Reiki class. So in the Reiki class, it will be covered like what Reiki is all about, what is the Reiki's origin, which is Reiki's history. It's very beautiful. If you are interested to know about Reiki history, I am more than happy to make a video. Just comment down below. So you will be taught Reiki history, what Reiki is, what Reiki is not, what are the misconceptions about Reiki, what Reiki is actually not. And Reiki is unique and special because it has Reiki Attunement. So Reiki Master Teacher would give you Reiki Attunement, and it simply means the Reiki teacher is transferring the healing energy, the universal healing energy into your body. In this process, you would feel the difference in your 7 bodies chakras. So we all have our 7 chakras, and when the master is giving attunement, it is affecting your 7 chakras, and you will feel a little bit of difference. Some people don't feel it, which is completely fine. So you would be taught about 7 chakras, what are its benefits, how you can improvise, how you can enhance your 7 chakras, because it is believed that whatever we have in our body, any problem, any pain, it might be due to our chakra imbalance. So you will be taught how to do chakra balancing. You would be taught how to do Reiki full body, as Reiki Level 1 is all about self healing, how we can heal ourselves. Also in Reiki Level 1 class, Reiki teacher covers about what are its benefits, whom to give Reiki, how to give Reiki, what are its pros and cons, what are the things you need to consider before starting your own Reiki practice or giving Reiki to others. Also, you would be taught how to give Reiki to somebody else. If you are thinking to take this as a full-time career or just a part-time thing, you can definitely do so. So Reiki practitioner can do start can start giving Reiki healing even if they are first level. So this is absolutely a big yes. Once this is all done, if it is first day, depend upon the day and how the time duration you have, because every teacher, whether it is online, through Zoom call or whatever it is, every teacher or every place, they have different ways of teaching Reiki. So first level, you would be given some notes or some manual, and you would be asked to practice certain body points, and you would be asked to give the feedback on the very second day. or if you have time available, you would be practicing on other students or on yourself the full Reiki points, which is absolutely important to know all the points, how Reiki works. Make sure you have your book with you and you can write down all the questions, all the queries, whatever you have in your mind. Make sure you write it down, because once you write, it is going to stay in your mind. If you think that I will remember, it doesn't happen all the time. So make sure you are writing down everything when you are learning Reiki, and make the most of it. Participate as much as you can, ask as much as you can, and what they say is playful out. Just be curious like a small child and keep asking questions, because you might not know that because of one question you might help somebody else in the class or your own self. So this is a very important part, that make sure you are asking as many questions as possible. You would be given a little bit brief about what Reiki level 2 is. If at all you decide after Reiki level 1 to go for Reiki level 2, your teacher would tell you about what can be covered in Reiki level 2. Of course, it's your decision whether you want to go ahead with Reiki level 2 or not. I am going to cover on my next video about Reiki level 2 and all about Reiki level 2 as well. So if you have any questions about this today's video or Reiki level 2, please comment down below. Also, you would be taught about 5 Reiki principles, which is absolutely important. Reiki history, as I mentioned before. Also, how you can do the exchange of Reiki, because it is believed that Reiki is never to be given for free. There has to be some kind of exchange. So you would be given some kind of rules to follow for Reiki. Again, every teacher, every place is different. Their methodology might be different than how I teach my students. Since I'm teaching for 18 years, I normally tend to give the Reiki notes on the first day when the day is finished, and I tell them to read about it. And if they have any questions, I provide a lifetime support to all my students. So whenever they have any questions, they can always come back to me and ask me. And saying that I am thinking to provide online Reiki teaching. If at all you are interested to learn from me, do let me know. If you decide to learn from somebody else, it's completely fine. I mean, there are so many teachers in the world, so they all need students, and you choose which teacher you want in your life. So these are the few things you will be covered. It will be covered in Reiki. One of the another important part is you would be taught how to balance the Reiki, balance the chakras, and how to ground yourself, which is how to protect yourself. It is called protective shield. You will be taught Reiki prayer as well. It's so many things to be learned in Reiki level 1. Make sure you keep reading about Reiki, keep browsing other videos about Reiki, because it's a very vast subject and every teacher would teach you as per their own experience. So make sure you are learning, implementing in your life, and keep giving Reiki to others. Once you learn Reiki level 1, be curious like a child and keep giving Reiki to all the people and all the things. So because of your experiences, the more you practice your Reiki, the more confidence you will have inside of yourself. So this is all from my side. I am thinking to come live and share about Reiki healing, or maybe if you're interested to give Reiki healing through distance through my live videos, YouTube live. So if that is of your interest to you, please let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and share my videos with others. I really appreciate you all. Thank you all so much. Love you. Thanks to all who have stayed tuned till the end. As you can see, it is raining. This is the third time I'm recording the video. I had too many problems and the rain started coming, and I'm still determined to record the video even if it starts raining. And if you see in the background, I have a new fence now. My old fence, the one which was giving me company for so many of my videos, sadly has gone. Now we have this new lovely fence. I hope you like this fence and give that much of love. You know who you are, because I know I'm getting the feedbacks that you like this background, you like this place. So yes, thank you all for listening to me and connecting with me on a personal level. Thank you all so much. Love you. Bye.